Hello everyone, Kitty Cat Craft Studio here, except I'm on Lady the Bunny 123 right now. Today I'm with Pikachu Cat 75, and I am also going to be doing, for the video I'm going to go to other people's shops. Isn't that exciting? Anyway, please click the red subscribe button, like the video, and click on the notification bell to see when my new videos are coming out. And let's get started. Okay, so I am now here. Oh, wow. Okay. I've got some good stuff. Like, there's some stuff here. Why? Okay, I guess that's not very good. Okay, I am now at another store. Why? I have one of these. 56? 4? I have one of these. Those are not worth 20 diamonds. It's not worth 22. Neither is that. I have these. I have this. I have this. I have this. And they're not worth that. I'm now at Sugar Drops Den? Okay, that's hard to say. I'm gonna see if they have anything good. I gotta say it's okay. Oh my god. I want that so bad. It's adorable, but it's way too many diamonds. Okay, so there's other stuff. What? Is this a joke? Are you kidding me? Okay. There is good stuff, though. The thing I'm really interested in. Okay, that's really it. I just love this masterpiece. I'm at the next store. So far, there isn't really anything. That is 5 more than I have, but I had this much yesterday. Nothing here. Okay, I'm at the next place. Oh my god, that is so cute, but that is so much. I mean, it is worth it, but I am sorry. Just no. I mean, I have plenty of diamonds. I think it's okay to get one. What if it's not worth it? I'm sorry, just these things are a little bit too expensive. Ooh, there's some nice stuff here. 250 for those. I want to be nice and buy something for someone. Okay. The cheapest thing are these harvest earrings. But I already have them. I really want this, but it's 2,000. And that's a little bit too much. I know you already have these, but I'm going to be nice and get them. There we go. I am nice. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Wow, they're really good at art. Love it. It's so good. Next shop. No, but I got Cheese Whiz's shop. That is a very complicated name. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's anything that is worth getting. No, they are good items, but did I say expensive? I don't know if I cut that off. I would have said like, whatever. Okay, wow, this is good. Wow, yeah, these are really nice art. This is really nice art. Okay, is this another mic? Yes. Oh, these are good. Alright. Mission accomplished. Alright, next store. Okay, these are good prices, I guess. Okay. Next one. Okay, nothing here. Next shop. Okay. Is that it? Is that it? Okay. Okay, I'm looking through this, and this. Okay, next shop. No, wait. What? This person literally said, huge, low price store, my den. Nope, nope, no thank you. Yes, nope. Here is another good store. Wait, what? What? Okay, so there's a turtle shell and art and yeah. Yeah, I think you can buy these in stores. Or maybe they're out of stores now, but I remember them being in stores. What? Are you kidding me? Oh, someone bought it already. I was just too late. Nope, nope, definitely not. Okay, I am looking at the store. It looks a little bit expensive, like from Epic Wonders, but maybe there's some cheap stuff. Yeah, I think the answer is no. Oh, this is cute. I miss Jelly Jones. Okay, so here is a cool looking store. And this looks pretty nice, so I am gonna get that. Okay, so that's it for the video. I really hope you liked it, and have an awesome day. Bye, Jammers!